Title: ɡraɪnd, the path to success. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡraɪnd. To grind is a verb that means to work tirelessly and persistently on a task or goal, often involving repetitive or challenging efforts. It signifies the commitment and dedication required to achieve success. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡraɪnd is simple, ɡraɪnd, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, these successful individuals credit their achievements to their willingness to grind day in and day out, working hard to reach their goals. Importance: grinding is a key element in achieving personal and professional success, as it demonstrates determination and the ability to overcome obstacles. Conclusion: in summary, ɡraɪnd is a word that represents the unwavering dedication and effort needed to attain success. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, brace the power of grinding to turn your dreams into reality.